Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. And this is the first year for the Monte Carlos, 1970. This particular one I photographed at at a local car show in Weatherford, Oklahoma, which was right off the 40 freeway there. And it was a good looking car. The one that had two of them there actually which was surprising for a show in a small town, which I think there are only about 12,000 people there in Weatherford, Oklahoma. So, but anyway, it looked like people had this car and the 1972 Buick Electra that's next to it. But both nice cars. But anyway, as far as the Monte Carlos go, like I mentioned, 1970 was the first year. So it's the first generation Monte Carlos, which were 1970, 1971, and 1972. And in 1970, they built 142,153 of the sport coupes, and they made 3,823 of the SS 454 models with the 454 big block for a total production of 145,976. And this car is actually one of the rarer ones because it has the 400 engine in it instead of the 350, which was the base motor. And the 400, they made 16,595. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.